Dropshiply. Cindy Donovan's Dropshiply. Dropshiply, build profitable stores and collect payments anywhere in the world. 100 plus features and over $2.6 million in sales for our users. Dropshiply is a way your subscribers can create and run their own dropshipping stores just by clicking a few buttons. Literally, it is a complete full-blown e-commerce platform that will get them a complete dropshipping store in literally minutes. It does all the hard work for them. You can connect your store or create one from complete scratch and running your business inside Dropshiply. This is the biggest level of automation. And best part? Doesn't need Shopify, so no more monthly fees. Dropshiply demo video. Dropshiply demo from Devid Farah on Vimeo. Dropshiply. Dropshiply's powerful point-and-click features, WP Connect. Automatically integrate Dropshiply fully with your existing WP stores. Store stats. Instantly see and manage all the data from your stores right here inside your dashboard. SEO Stats. Get full SEO statistics. Title, meta description, domain authority, page rank, SEO score, Alexa global rank, country rank and more. Instant domain search. Don't have a domain for your store? No problem. Our instant domain generator will pick a domain for you in seconds. Niche intelligence technology. Know which niches will generate money before creating your store. AliExpress spy tool. We integrated the entire AliExpress platform inside Dropshiply, so you can find thousands of products that are impossible to even know exist without hours of laborious research. eBay spy. Identify top eBay products and get product ideas from top competition so you can predict how sales will go. Walmart product finder. Uncover unlimited products on Walmart you can sell on your store right away. Alexa spy. Discover traffic stats and global rankings of millions of websites and exploit untapped markets. FB Interest Explorer. Uncover thousands of profitable interest keyword phrases for your FB ad campaigns. One-click product importer. Import hundreds of products to your store within minutes. One single click, built-in app editor. Don't like a particular element? No problem. Instantly edit product descriptions, title, price, tags, category, images, variants, and more. More features. Store manager. Manage all your products, orders and customers in one click. Manage orders. View, edit, delete orders here. See all details. Product name, SKU, quantity, price, billing, and shipping info and more. Manage products. Our server-side processing technology lets you manage all your products at once. Manage customers. All customers are instantly tracked and displayed in Dropshiply. All new orders on your store will also automatically update here. Manage multiple listings. Instantly publish a new listing. Manage multiple listings or edit all existing listings. Sync orders. All orders in your stores will be automatically synced to Dropshiply in real time. Auto order technology. Dropshiply places the order and fills out the address with one click. Product Watchdog. Watch for all the price changes and automatically update them. Inventory Watchdog. Keeps an eye on inventory changes and automatically restock products. You'll never sell something your vendor ran out of. Price Monitor. Monitor every price changes and automatically update it. Inbuilt Pricing Margins. Create pricing rules so you can have consistent margins for all the products you sell. Product Reports. Get full reports on how many products have been sold on your stores. WooCommerce integration. Dropshiply fully integrates with WooCommerce so you can have all your products displayed in your dashboard. Dropshiply. Cindy Donovan's Dropshiply.